to show you how to tune a uke. No, Perry, no, I didn't mean tuna and ukes. I meant tune a uke, as in tune a ukulele. Okay, yeah. Go ahead and you can go guard the ukulele for me while we talk about the tuners. So, you've seen the tuners before. What you're gonna do is clip that onto the head of your ukulele. It feels the vibrations and it knows that it has the correct frequency. It's on right now. You turn it off and on by this little blue switch, but you wanna also look to see that it says ukulele, because it can also tune a violin or a bass guitar or a regular guitar, but we're tuning ukuleles in this instance, so make sure that it tunes it to ukulele so it'll know which notes it's tuning. Once you clip it onto your ukulele, okay, you have a little crown at the top of that says if you're a little bit sharp or a little bit flat. So if I hit this string is the G string, and look at that, it is right in the center of the crown, so it lights up and tells you that you got it. You're good to go, green. What if that G was a little bit flat? Oh, that made it go sharp, sorry. Turn it the other direction, we'll talk about that in a second. It's very flat, now it's registering as A, and it knows that that's not supposed to be a note for the ukulele, so it's not lighting up. So we twist it to the back. You see how when you see the little dial here getting you closer and closer to the correct G? There we go. Now it's registering as a G. It looks like I've gone a little bit too high. It's gone past the center. So now we're going to go back down. And keep hitting that string so you know that you got the right pitch. Same with all the other strings. After that, we have the C string. Oh, my C string, it looks is a little bit flat. See how it's just registering way down on that crown. So we're gonna twist it. Wow, it took me a little bit of finagling around to get it to light up, but now it's in the center of the crown, so we know it's in tune. The same with all the other keys. However, notice how these strings on this side enter from the left of the peg, and these strings on this side enter from the right of the peg. It does make a difference. They don't all turn in the same direction. These two go in one direction, these two go in another direction to make it higher, sharper, or lower, flatter, okay? So when you're doing these two strings, to make the pitch higher, I got my G string there, as you can see it's lit up. If I dial it and I turn it towards me, going this way, it's going flatter. And if I dial it back towards the back, it brings it sharper, higher, till I get it back in tune. Now these over here, like I said, are gonna be exactly the opposite. We're gonna go to the A string. Are we in tune? We are. And if we dial it, see it's going sharper when I go towards me. So I'm gonna go backwards towards the back to get it to go flat. I went too far. It's starting to register all kinds of notes. Going down to a G, we want it to be an A. Oh, it's registering low as flat in the crown. So it's going higher and higher. there. We got to go right to the center. It turned green, so that means we're in tune. We're all good. So if you always remember to keep your ukulele in tune, all your notes will be sounding great. You can start by using the tuner. Eventually, you'll be able to use your ear. I know a lot of times when I go through and tune these, I don't use the tuner on every single one of them. I use all my ears and make sure that they're matching. Thank you.